Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. Looking at the fuel filter for a 2010 Chevy Cobalt. Back here by the passenger side rear tire. Got it jacked up with safety stands. A 10mm bolt here. Now there's a bracket built around it for safety. I think I'm going to take it out. It's got a 10mm bolt over here and a 10mm bolt over here. Probably need a special tool of some kind to remove the line on your left here, on the camera left over here. And this side has actually just got some push buttons, plastic push buttons on these two lines here. Though I'm probably going to use this to squeeze on each side. So when we come back here in a second, we're going to have this bracket probably off. 10mm bolts, left to loosen, right to tighten. Got my gun. Got it down. Once this bolt's out, you can get it because it wraps around the fuel filter for protection, probably. You get a little more easier access and be able to slide it back and forth. I'm going to try and get this line off on this side first. So here's our new fuel filter. You can see it's got tabs in there, so we want to make sure those tabs get collapsed. And we slide this tool along the line to do that. Basically like that. You're going to slide it in. Usually you'll hear some clicking. I'm going to move it around. There's different types of tools. It's not the only one. And I'm going to pull this off to the left. Fuel will come out. I never release the fuel pressure except when I do it just like that. Now you can see the blue button here. There's actually buttons on both sides. You can just squeeze them and that should release it so you can pull the fuel filter off. Like I said, I'm probably going to try and use those needle nose that are for pulling off hoses. And back here there can be some dirt and debris build up on there, so I'm probably going to get my air hose and some brake clean and clean those best I can and try again. And I'll show you when it's off how those buttons work inside. So in theory, squeezing those is supposed to open up those holes, although dirt and debris and just in an awkward spot can make it difficult. So I'm sure I wasn't able to show you exactly what was going on there, but I think you get the idea looking at those connectors. You can just slide this on and it'll click into place. You want to make sure it clicks in, try and pull it off. Click. It's on there, here to click. So we'll slide the protector bracket back on there. So I think light blue's up top here, or not. Spin it around. Light blue goes on the smaller one. Should click. Kind of clicks, thud. Sorry about that, but there we go. They're on, they were clicking. Gotta put my mount in the right spot. So bolt this back up, and after we put the bracket on, that is the fuel filter on a 2010 Chevy Cobalt and other model years, I'm sure.